What's going on, everyone? It's Marsellis back with another video. Today, we're going to be going over Baby Doge, our possible Etoro listing. Yes, I said Etoro. We're going to be going over some technicals and where Baby Doge will possibly go over next. So, anyways, hit that like button, subscribe. Really helps the YouTube channel out immensely for the YouTube algorithm. Leave a comment in the comment section and let me know what you all want me to go over next. And also, if you want these automated trading indicators, definitely check out the Vital Algo link in the description and use the discount code Marsellis for 25% off. And also, if you want to help support the channel, definitely go ahead and send a donation through the Cash App or PayPal donation link in the description. So remember, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this is financial advice, but let's get straight to it with Baby Doge. So right now you can see over here on the oscillator, we do have a lot of selling volume going on. So there's a lot of selling going on inside of Baby Doge. Now, the prediction that we made yesterday was right here. I was pretty much like, look, we're gonna get rejected at 3-4. We just are not able to stay above it. Like, we had so much resistance here. I knew something was gonna happen. Definitely check out the video from yesterday. You'll see where I made this whole prediction. And I actually drew all this out yesterday because I noticed a huge trend inside Baby Doge that showed that we're gonna be very bearish, and I explained it in full yesterday. But we actually went through it today. So pretty much what I said yesterday, I mentioned these supply and demand areas. The red areas pretty much show less demand. We had so much resistance, we didn't want to stay above the less demand areas. And that pretty much led us to drop below the support line here of the 3275 area, 3270. And that's where our Fibonacci retracement was, where our support level was. So that's pretty much how I knew Baby Doge was actually going to go on a downtrend, because the second we went below this support level, it was pretty much shows that we're going to be going on a bearish downtrend. And that's exactly what happened. The second we went down below that, we went on a bearish downtrend. So now you can see Baby Doge is on its way down. And no, I'm not saying we're on our way all the way down, but yes, we are on our way on a downtrend. So I definitely believe 2.8 is, well, 2.8 has already came, but what I'm saying is I definitely believe 2.4 is the next one to come up inside of the next downtrend, because we already went down to 2.8. So 2.4, that would definitely be the next one. Let me extend this Fibonacci retracement a little bit. So yeah, you can see down here that 2.4 will be coming very soon. So right now, what we got in Baby Doge, we're right here at the 2.8 area, well, 2.910, but we're so close to 2.8. But pretty much what we're going to see is Baby Doge is pretty much going to try to get back up here. So let me take off these indicators again. I know I'm taking them on and off, on and off. So pretty much what we're going to see is right here what I drew yesterday. Baby Doge is going to try to get back up here to the 3.2 resistance, because that was once our support, but now it's our resistance. So we're going to try to get back up to there. And if we can't pass that area, we're going to get rejected and eventually go down to 2.4. Now, look, if we do get past that area, then we could quite possibly pump all the way up to the 3.8 area. So that could be coming very soon if we can actually get past this 3.2 resistance here. But enough of all the technicals. We're going to go over the technicals again. Right now, it does show that the bears are in control of the 24-hour market control by 100%. So I'm going to go back over this later on in the video. But I really want to talk about this eToro thing, because this is actually pretty big. So eToro NL, which stands for eToro Netherlands, this is the Dutch version of eToro, because they speak Dutch inside Netherlands. So they can't just have the regular eToro Twitter page for the Netherlands, because they speak Dutch out there, so they need it inside Dutch. It doesn't mean that this is a whole nother area of eToro. No, it's the same eToro. This is just the Dutch Twitter space. So the Dutch Twitter space of eToro actually said this about Baby Doge. So this whole tweet that they made over here about the, I think about the Super Bowl over here, they're talking about it. And again, they are into football, not football. They're into the soccer version of football. We call it soccer in America. They call it football. So they're not talking about the Super Bowl for like actual football, or not actual football. The actual football is with your actual foot playing soccer. I don't know. It's really confusing, but just to say the least, that they're actually singing our tune, the Baby Doge do tune. So that is literally what they just now posted here in response to Alibaba, the Baby Doge one, not the actual company Alibaba, but the Baby Doge King Alibaba. So shout out to the Baby Doge King Alibaba. But anyways, they tweeted this and they retweeted it. So this is definitely going to be like the icebreaker here. Like, I definitely believe eToro may be the first to list Baby Doge now. I thought quite possibly it could be crypto.com, could be Binance, could be any of these exchanges, but none of them has really done anything on the scale as this. Like, no other listing out there has actually said something tying directly to Baby Doge. On top of that, they're literally commenting, like responding to a Baby Doge army person over here. So the fact that they're saying the Baby Doge tune and they're in an actual exchange saying that, this says a lot. This really solidifies us inside the crypto space. I know a lot of people are saying this means nothing, but I definitely believe this means everything. Like, this could literally be the listing of a lifetime that we've been waiting for. So we could see this coming very soon. So I don't know when it's going to come. I don't know if it's going to come, but I definitely know that this is the first step to getting listed to our first major exchange. And eToro is a pretty big exchange because it's not just in the US, it's not just in the Netherlands, it's literally worldwide, it's global. eToro is literally one of the biggest exchanges out there that do stocks and crypto. Like, most exchanges just do crypto, but no, eToro is doing it, just like Robinhood is doing it, just like public.com is doing it. They're doing both stocks and crypto, just like Webull is doing it now too. So these kind of hybrid type of exchanges, they're the ones that really garner the most attention from retail investors because it allows you to invest in both stocks and crypto. So this is a really big opportunity for everyone inside crypto for this. I definitely want to see eToro list Baby Doge. I want to see them follow Baby Doge. They're not following Baby Doge right now. They are following Dogecoin, and I believe they're also following Sheep, but they are not following Baby Doge. So we just need them to follow us on Twitter, and then that'll be our confirmation that we're getting listed. But as of right now, though, we definitely could get listed to there very soon. So I don't know when, I don't know how, but it's quite possible. But anyways, moving on from that, Baby Doge has now passed 1 million followers on Twitter. That's really big. I'm definitely excited for this. Like, a lot of different crypto communities to never get above 1 million followers. So this is just amazing and crazy that we're actually above that. And right now we have about 2.6K new holders in the Baby Doge today. That's a lot. 13.46 trillion Baby Doge burned today at a total of $12.5 million in trading volume, which is not much trading volume at all. But we are still seeing some buying coming in from the, I think this is OKX or the Gate.io. Actually, this one may be the Gate.io exchange. No, this isn't an exchange. This is actually one of the top whales. So yeah, one of the top whales has just now bought 22.62 trillion Baby Doge. That's 73.39K Baby Doge. And they just now purchased that in Baby Doge. And on top of that, they have a bunch of stable coins. They have $2 million in stable coins just waiting to buy Baby Doge on the next dip. So as we just now dipped down to 2.8, they bought 22.62 trillion. Now down to 2.4, they're probably going to continue to buy more. Now, the only reason why you see this top wallet here actually selling Baby Doge, that's because it's Gate.io. I know I go over this inside of, I know this is OKX, but I know I go over this in all of my videos, but it's just to let everyone know. It's like, this is very significant whenever you see these sales, because this isn't the exchange selling because they're bearish with Baby Doge. This is them selling to cover their costs with their actual investors. The people that buy Baby Doge on this exchange are now selling Baby Doge. And you can actually see it with these vital algo indicators here with the oscillator, the vital oscillator. You can see all the selling volume. Whenever it's showing all this area and mass down here on the bottom side of this chart, that's showing that there's selling pressure. Whenever it's on the upside, it's showing buying pressure. So right now there's a lot of selling pressure, and you're seeing that firsthand with this whale wallet, which is the Gate.io. I keep saying Gate.io. Gate.io is on the next page, but this is the OKX exchange. They pretty much have most of the Baby Doge coins out there. So it's obvious that it's going to happen like this. They're just going to sell when people start to sell Baby Doge. But yeah, they have a lot of money in BUSD. So they're just selling Baby Doge right now because people are selling. But the second people start buying Baby Doge, this BUSD is going to go back in the Baby Doge to buy that dip. So that's probably what we're going to see coming up very soon. Now, they still do have 14.6 quadrillion Baby Doge. Like, that's still a very significant amount. But they're obviously going to continue to sell until people stop selling, and then they're going to start buying once the people start buying again. Now, speaking of exchanges that continue to sell Baby Doge time and time again, look at this right here. $14 million stable coins, $12 million stable coin, $6.8 million stable coin. All this stable coin, they're waiting to buy those dips because people are selling. Now, this is Gate.io. I know I kept saying it before, but this is the Gate.io. The other one was OKX Exchange. Now, Gate.io doesn't have as much Baby Doge as OKX. Gate.io only actually has 2.2 million in there. But as people sell, Gate.io also continues to sell. They sold 119K Baby Doge, which is 36.71 trillion Baby Doge. So you're going to see all these sales coming in left and right. You're going to see a lot of people buying Baby Doge whenever they're actual whales. And then you're going to see the exchanges selling Baby Doge. And then you're going to see whales just taking out the profits now because, it's just what they do. They buy constantly, they sell constantly. It's what whales do. It's the movement inside of crypto. But yeah, we still have potential here with Baby Doge. I'm not worried about the drop at all. This is actually a good buying opportunity. Like I said, I will be buying it when I do get some money, but I have a lot of other places where I'm trying to allocate some money to as well. So there's going to be a lot more videos coming inside the near future. It's not going to be all Baby Doge. It's going to be some more buying opportunities inside crypto. So I'm still in Baby Doge heavily, but I'm going to be showing you all some good opportunities. And just to mention one of them, Proton. Proton is definitely making huge moves. I'm going to be talking about a Proton very soon, making a video on that. I'm going to be making a video on Solid Matic today. You're getting Solid Matic, or you're getting the Matic rewards. It's a rewards token, so they give you Matic for holding Solid Matic. I'm going to be talking about that. It's kind of like Solid ETH. You get Ethereum for holding Solid ETH, so it's made by the same developers. We're going to be going over that today as well. But yeah, I'm going to be showing you some more altcoin gems and some good opportunities in crypto as Baby Doge moves sideways. The only thing we can do for Baby Doge right now is buy this dip, and we can buy it up heavily. So that's the only thing we can do with it. Just buy it as it goes down and just let it sit there. Stop looking at the charts and stuff. I know it's nice to look at the charts when they dip like this because you know this is the buying opportunity that you need. So just come to the videos that I make, and I'm always going to let you know when we have these huge buying opportunities. This is a buying opportunity because right now we are projected to do a little bit of a recovery down to 3.2 or up to 3.2. But that's still not going to cover that 20% tax. Remember, 10% buy, 10% sell. So even if we go down, or since we went down to 2.8, you can't just wait till 3.2 and then sell at 3.2 once you buy in at 2.8. You can't do that. That's not a 20% plus gain. You need literally 21% plus to get even 1% gain in Baby Doge. 21% just to get 1% gain because Baby Doge has that 10% tax for the buy and sell. So for Baby Doge, in order to make that profit, it's best to hold the long term. And then once it actually pumps, that's when you want to take out a little bit of profits and then allocate them wherever you want to earn your passive income or do whatever you want. Maybe pay off your debts. That's what I'm going to be doing. I'm going to be taking some Baby Doge and paying off debts there. But anyways, this is pretty much all I got for you all today. I don't want to keep rambling on and on, but here we go. 1.4 million holders, 1,416,137 holders. That's a pretty good amount of holders right there. And we're still continuing to rise here with Baby Doge. Our auto burns are still moving literally at a nice pace. Not too fast, but eventually when we get back to that 100 million a day trading volume like we were before, doing nearly 1 quadrillion burning every single day in auto burns, that's what we're trying to get back up to, that 100 million trading volume, because that was nice when we're burning that much and we're getting a lot of reflections back then too. So anyways, we're almost at 157 circulating supply there with Baby Doge. So yeah, we got lots of good stuff going on with Baby Doge. Now the overall crypto market is going down. And for all the people that say the overall crypto market isn't following Bitcoin, look at this and then look at everything else down here. Yes, the overall crypto market is following Bitcoin. There's some anomalies inside the whole mix, but for the most part, the overall crypto market is following Bitcoin. So that's just, kind of to debunk what people are pretty much saying. Now, Baby Doge, sometimes it doesn't follow Bitcoin. Sometimes Baby Doge just does its own thing whenever we have huge pumps and whenever we have like a lot of people talking about it on social media. But right now, we are following Bitcoin because the second it dumps, we are starting to go down as well. So we just kind of got to sit back, wait, let the crypto market do its thing. We're going to see Bitcoin drop below 40K. And then if we see Bitcoin at 35K, then we will see Baby Doge hit the 2.4 area. And not if, it's pretty much a win. So it's almost 100% certain. Like, remember, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this financial advice. So let's just say we're 99% certain that Bitcoin will hit 35K again. But that's just the way the game goes, right? But anyways, let's talk about this. So like I said, we're pulling back here to the 2.8 area. We already touched 2.890 very briefly. And then we just kind of started to recover here. So you may see Baby Doge try to recover back to 3.2 before getting rejected and leading back down to 2.8 and eventually 2.4. If we don't get rejected, then like I said, we would go up here to this resistance, stop around 3.8 or 3.6. And then we would probably go back down to 3.2 and then again down to 2.8 after I know it's a lot of back and forth, It's like a ping pong table. It's going to keep going back and forth for a little while. But like I said, I knew 2.8 was going to be coming. I was actually saying this in a lot of my videos back here. I was like, look, we already hit it very briefly back here. So it's inevitable that we're going to hit it again, because the second we hit it, we just started to pump because we had so much buying volume inside Baby Doge that it was inevitable for us to continue to pump from there. But it was also inevitable for us to hit that area again, because this was artificial growth. We went down, the bulls and the whales started pumping, so then they can get another pump, and then they sold out. And then also we have the paper hands the paper hand people selling out, which is pretty much the retail traders paper handing it and selling out baby Doge, causing it to drop as well. But yeah, this is pretty much all I got for you all today. I just wanted to go over this insightful. I wanted to let you all know exactly what's going on in baby Doge. Definitely hit that like button. Subscribe, though. It really does help the YouTube channel out immensely for the YouTube algorithm. Leave a comment in the comment section and let me know what you all want me to go over next. I'm going to be going over a lot of different coins now. So just let me know what you all want me to go over next. I'm not going over any scam tokens or nothing like that. No rug pulls. I'm going to make sure I vet all of them. I'm not going over any scams. So don't recommend any scams to me. And also, if you want these automated trading indicators, definitely check out the Vital Algo link in the description and use the discount code Marsellis for 25% off. And remember, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this is financial advice. If you want to help support the channel, definitely go ahead and send a donation through the Cash App or PayPal donation link in the description. And as always, I'll be back with another video. Peace.